This is my review of Ghirardelli Premium Baking Chips Classic White Chips. I used to own a chocolate factory myself, a confections shop, and I used to use these in bulk. These are the if you're in the chocolate business, you know Ghirardelli Classic White Chips are the bomb. They are the pinnacle in white chocolate, which a little lesson for you. There is no such thing as white chocolate. There it really is a false word. But these little puppies, though, are delicious and they are quality. Ghirardelli makes quality premium baking chips, classic white chips. The history of Ghirardelli bakes dates back to the 1800s when Italian chocolatier Domenico Ghirardelli moved to San Francisco and opened up a confectionery shop. He quickly became known for his high quality chocolate products, and his company continued to grow and expand over the years. Today, he is well known industry wide, offering a variety of chocolate products that are loved by consumers worldwide. And chocolate shops like mine buy their chocolates in bulk from Ghirardelli to make their own chocolates. Um, these things are the bomb. If you're looking for white chocolate to make white chocolate macadamia cookies, oh, these are just awesome. If you're looking for white chocolate chips just to eat, like I'm going to do right now, they're delicious. Get yourself some Ghirardelli premium baking chips, classic white. They're delicious.